Welcome to Thailand! What can you say? Simple. Palampas ka sa English. So, okay, room tour. This is our room here in Pattaya. We're now here at Glow Pattaya Hotel. Look at the room. So cozy. English na ang puto. Yan ang view. Yan ang view namin dito sa hotel. Yan, residential area ng Pattaya. So,
and the museum shows about the village, which is once in the weather here, it's in the weather back.
Ang Sanctuary of Truth ay isang unfinished museum na gawa sa kahoy na itinayo noong 1981. Itinayo daw ito upang ang bawat isa ay makahanap ng mga sagot mula sa simula ng buhay, upang maunawaan ang tanong kung sino tayo, saan tayo nagmula at paano tayo nabuhay. Also, it's a place filled with the best blend of East Asian art. Ang unique beauty daw ng museum na ito ay nakatago sa likod ng mga exquisite carvings of Eastern mythological gods na makikita sa loob at labas ng museum. In short, ang Sanctuary of Truth daw is not only a place for beauty, but full of living philosophy, mga katotohanan ng buhay at iba't ibang idea for us to find the meaning of life.
Kamanito ako pa. Mapaggakin. Oo. Sorry po, kala ko sa Thailand ako.
Okay. This is the biggest 7-Eleven in Thailand, I guess.
What you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for. Out of the cold into my warm hand, in the sun, it's already begun.
Gabi, init Thailand. Very top avenue. Welcome to top.
Oh, one more! Yeah! Discount! With discount.
They don't know me, so bakla yun. Baka yung mga pagkain ganun doon sa kinain ka kahapon.
But I'm here, so don't you worry, 'cause you know I'll be there in a hurry. Out of the cold into my warm head in the sun. It's already begun.
Let's try this one. Ang tamis! Eme!
Aroy, aroy,
Ang
aroy.
tamis! Wow!
Aroy.
Ayun oh.
So, ano masasabi niyo sa Thai milk tea?
Masarap, masarap. Very good. 其他的东西，一定台湾的东西，
哎
被传下来，不好意思。
Ay! Nag-check.
Out of the cold into my warm head in the sun. It's already begun. You are my one.
Fried insects. What's that? What's that? What's that? Crickets.
Magot?
Ah, maggot, sorry. Sarap! Okay, kain na kayong dalawa.
Sino yung sarap bes? No? Okay, try mo na. Itataway na ni Kuya Elig ang isang peraso.
amoy
Yung maliit lang.
Uy, amoy, hindi. Yung ano?
Uy, baka may sumabog.
Ano yun? Yung durian.
O, di ba? Halugin muna natin.
Oo, shake. Hindi, sinake niya na.
Nabuhay pa eh.
Go, go,
Subukan
go!
natin ngayon itong
Alin?
dancing shrimp dito sa Thailand. Mukhang hindi siya masarap.
Baka
Tama,
tumalsik!
nakascotch tape, hayop ka.
Magtalsikan! Ayun na, nagkatalsikan na!
Hindi, ganun talaga siya, bes. Suko mo na. Yum.
Yummy!
Yummy.
One more! Go!
Dalian mo lang tumakbo.
Bakla, oo nga! Si bakla naman!
Dini-display pa.
Kaya mo bakit sa vlog?
Alin? Ah, okay.
Oh, Angel.
Oh, ikat mo yun ha!
Ayan, humarang pa daw kayo dyan.
May ano, may eucalyptus. Ay, puto! Hindi! Ayan, nasayang na. Ay!
New.
Okay pa tayo.
But I'm here, so don't you worry, 'cause you know I'll be there in a hurry.
Bangkok สวย สวย สวยจริงๆ สวยมาก
Super. Super good.
Meanwhile,
Ilaban niyo ang Pilipinas! Para sa Pilipinas! Ilaban mo yan, ate! Para sa Pilipinas!
ang laki naman ng Big C na to. And that one, look at that.
Delek, tingin!
Ang ganda ng home screen mo. Ito, after nito.
Sobrang laki ng Buddha, oh.
Delek. Delek.
Yes.
So, Praia Princess. Ayun nga din sinakay natin eh. Princess 2. No?
Sewage yung itong river na to, kaya ganyan ang kulay niya.
Yes.
Pero in front of the river, sobrang madaming skyscraper, tsaka luxury mall like Icon Siam. Ayan, ang mga cruise.
Kaso pangit ang glass.
We're here at Bangkok Arts and Culture Museum. Tama ba? But yeah, we're here. Yan, ganda. Look. Okay, let's make lap. Eight to 11 years old. Yan, 8 to 11 years old ang gumawa niyan. Of course I can. 8 years old and younger. Look. Nice.
Milo.
Wow!
Milo.
Only 5. Sweet?
Yes, please. Some sweet.
Wow!
Baka magkano sa'yo dito? Hindi naman nilalapitan ng bubuyog
20.
Best bubuyog ko. 20 yung bilog. Magkano yung bilog?
20 din ang isa. 40 yun. Bali,
40.
Tapos yung kanin magkano? Hatiin mo na lang kung magkano.
20. Dali sa'yo.
Plus yung dalawa ko pa. Natigtig 10 ba? Plastic.
70.
Oh, hi guys. So we are here na at Mahanakon Tower. 76th floor. 74?
76.
Okay, 76th floor daw. Yan. 360 view. 360 view ng Bangkok. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Lagi nakakalula. Nakatakot ako. Nababartigo ako. Tinan nyo. Ang hilig. Bangkok, Bangkok. Nakakalula. 76th floor. Welcome to Mahanakon Tower, the highest tower in Bangkok.
Look down. Oh, umalis ka dyan sa gilid. Akala ko matapang ka, Pipoy, ha?
So what can you say about the place?
So nice.
It's scary.
Not really.
I'm scared. Inaatake ako ng anxiety ko. Look! I think this is the highest tower in Bangkok, right?
Yes, this is.
Bisa mo hawakin, kinakabahan ako.
Oh my God, nanginig yung
When you get burned.